The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is quietly becoming one of the most talked about upcoming action cameras, even before any official announcement. Based on leaks, industry conversations, and Insta360's recent strategy, this next-generation camera is shaping up to be a serious evolution rather than a routine refresh. The Ace Pro lineup has already built a strong reputation for pushing boundaries in image quality, stabilization, and creator-focused features, and expectations for the Ace Pro 3 are understandably high. Instead of rushing a launch, Insta360 appears to be taking a measured approach. The current generation is still performing well, giving the company time to refine its technology and deliver something that truly stands out. This patient strategy suggests that when the Ace Pro 3 finally arrives, it won't just be another action camera. It could represent a meaningful leap forward for creators who demand performance, reliability, and creative flexibility in extreme conditions. Looking at the broader action camera market, it's clear why Insta360 isn't in a hurry. Right now, there's a noticeable gap at the top end of the category. While competitors continue to release capable cameras with improved sensors and better stabilization, no traditional action camera has completely redefined what's possible. That absence of true next-gen competition gives Insta360 the freedom to wait, observe, and refine. One of the biggest expectations surrounding the Ace Pro 3 is the continuation of Insta360's collaboration with Leica. This partnership has consistently elevated optical performance and color accuracy, helping Insta360 cameras deliver more natural tones and cleaner detail straight out of the camera. With the Ace Pro 3, this collaboration is expected to go even further, focusing on refined optics, enhanced dynamic range, and improved low-light performance, areas that matter most to serious creators. Rumors suggest the Ace Pro 3 could feature a significantly upgraded sensor, allowing for higher resolution capture and smoother performance across multiple frame rates. Advanced video modes are expected to be a major highlight, with improved handling of high dynamic range scenes, better color depth, and more flexibility in post-production workflows. For creators shooting fast-paced action, travel content, or cinematic sequences, these improvements could make a noticeable difference. Stabilization is another area where Insta360 has consistently impressed, and the Ace Pro 3 is expected to raise the bar again. Enhanced flow-state stabilization could deliver even smoother footage in demanding environments, whether mounted on helmets, bikes, or handheld rigs. Combined with smarter horizon leveling, this would allow creators to focus more on the moment and less on technical adjustments. Artificial intelligence is also expected to play a larger role. Smarter in-camera tools could assist with subject tracking, scene optimization, and automated highlights, making the camera more approachable for beginners while still offering depth for advanced users. Improved audio capture, better wind reduction, and stronger waterproofing would further position the Ace Pro 3 as a true all-rounder for outdoor and adventure filming. When compared to current options, the Ace Pro 3 appears to be designed as a flagship that balances power with usability. Rather than chasing niche features, it aims to deliver a refined, creator-first experience that works reliably across a wide range of shooting scenarios. If these expectations are met, the Ace Pro 3 could easily set a new benchmark for premium action cameras. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 feels less like a simple upgrade and more like a carefully planned statement. Insta360's decision to take its time suggests confidence, not just in its current lineup, but in the vision behind its next release. For creators who value image quality, stability, and intelligent features, the Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be something special. While the action camera space continues to evolve, the Ace Pro 3 has the potential to stand out by focusing on meaningful improvements rather than gimmicks. If the rumored features translate into real-world performance, this camera could redefine expectations for what a premium action camera should deliver. For now, it remains a highly anticipated release, and one that creators are watching closely. When it finally arrives, the Ace Pro may not just join the competition, it could lead it.